What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a snorkel upgrade review for you guys. We're going to be going back in time and then we're going to be going forward in time. You guys will see what I'm talking about. But if you're interested in buying one of these bad boys, make sure to stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so before we get too deep into the video, I wanted to go ahead and explain what this is exactly. So this right here, we had to previously install it. We had to cut out the fender, place it on here, and it does work for some different applications as far as what you want to do off-road. That's not today's video. I just wanted to tell you guys that really quick. If you guys do want to see the installation on this, make sure to check out the description box below. You guys can watch how we did it. What we're going to be focusing on is this top piece here. These snorkels actually come with a different head and they suck in a lot of dirt, debris, and stuff like that when you're off-road. But then adding this right here, which is a snorkel upgrade, will also help now with all that debris and stuff because it actually kicks it out. I'll go ahead and briefly go over it today, but basically this acts as like a little tornado inside. There's a fan. So when you guys are off-road and it's sucking in dirt, debris, like I had said, it's going to actually kick it out back here. There's a little like opening back here, but the dirt will come in through here and then it'll release anything or any big particles out through there. So it's a really cool system to have if you guys do like going like in the sand or just a lot of going off-road. It really does help out, and we're going to be showing you guys that proof today. Another thing that I'm going to be doing today is, if you guys can tell, one thing I didn't do when I first installed it, there is a gap right here. That gap is not supposed to be there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to remove the snorkel upgrade head, and we're going to actually be cutting down the actual snorkel piece, so that way this sits flush with this. So you're actually supposed to do that first when installing it. It's not going to affect it if you don't, but it's been bugging me for the last, I forgot how long I've had this already, but it's been bugging me. So I'm going to go ahead and address that today, and I'll show you guys on video as well. It's going to look a lot cleaner. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. We'll give you guys a quick demonstration, and then we'll go ahead and roll back a clip that we had filmed about 5 months ago, and we'll give you guys some explanations there, and then we'll roll back to present time. So like I said, we've already previously done an installation on this. Check it out, description box below. But I'm going to go ahead and remove it using a size 11mm socket. It's that simple. There we go. I'll also take this off. And what we're going to be doing is essentially cutting a good chunk of that, so that way then this will sit down here instead of previously it was there. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Dremel, and I'm going to cut it right about there, so that way it can sit flush. Alright, you guys, so now that we have it off the truck, we just cut the actual snorkel so that way this will fit flush. Before we reinstall it, I wanted to show you guys some things. So this one is the Sy-Klone Air Pre-Cleaner. This is the model 9001. You can go ahead and purchase this in the description box below, or like I said, check out the previous video when we installed it. But I want to show you guys this. Alright, so you're going to see the fan right there, as you guys can see that. So this is what actually goes on the snorkel itself. And then you're going to notice over here there's a vent. So this is where the stuff is going to come in through, as far as like the dirt, debris, all that stuff. And then it circles back around through that fan. Any particles that this system allows to kick out, it then will. If you guys notice right over here, it then kicks it out through here. Of course, it's not going to get everything 100%, but this does definitely help out a lot more than just your regular airbox or just the regular snorkel head, since that one is completely wide open. So just keep that in mind. So right now I'm going to go ahead and try to demonstrate for you guys how it works, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall it on the truck, and then we'll go back in time. That's so cool. So just to show you guys, it actually works. There it is. All right, you guys, so now that you saw how that works, let's go ahead and reinstall this. And while I'm doing this, we're going to go ahead and skip back to the past. All right, you guys, so for today's video, what we're gonna be doing is, if you see right here in my hand, I do have a brand new OEM Toyota engine air filter. We're gonna be replacing the one that I do have right now. So we'll go into that in a bit. But what we're gonna be doing after we replace it is we're gonna give this video about 3 to 6 months. And then I'm gonna record a future clip, which I'll upload in this same video. So we'll put it all together just so that way you guys see me putting in a brand new one. And then later down the road, you guys will see me when this video gets uploaded. You guys will see if the Snorkel upgrade actually works or not. I know I was supposed to upload this video a long time ago, and honestly, I forgot. But basically what I'm talking about as far as Snorkel upgrade, if you guys do remember when I installed this piece right here, this is called a Snorkel upgrade for your guys' snorkel. And essentially what this bad boy does is helps keep your filter a little bit cleaner for a little bit longer. Inside of here, there is a fan. So when everything gets sucked in, it actually then gets thrown out through the back over here. There's a little opening. So all the trash, debris, snow, dirt, anything like that when you're off-road, it just kind of filters it out. So if you guys didn't watch the install video on this, make sure to check it out. It'll be in the description box below. So basically installing this is going to be super simple. So if you come right over here, you're going to notice there's just a couple clips. So there's going to be a clip here and a clip here. All you do is you pull those down, you bring back the lever, and then on this side you also bring back the lever, and it releases it like that. So your engine air intake is going to be this bad boy here. I have not replaced mine in a long time, so I know it's going to be dirty, so don't judge me, but there it is. It's actually not that bad, but we're going to do this one more time on video for you guys. So I'm taking it out. Let me show you guys the date, the time, so that way you guys can kind of check that out. So it's going to be right here. So as you guys can see, it's 11:25 a.m. Saturday, January 25th. That's going to be for your guys' reference. So we're going to be installing the brand new one here, exactly the way you took that one off. You want to put in the brand new one, nothing hard about it. And after inputting this, like I said, in this same video, I'm going to give it a couple months, and then we'll come and check back on this, and we'll also show you the date. So I'm not going to change it until we make that video, 3 to 6 months. So keep that in mind. So we just input the new one. I'm going to close this thing down, super simple. And just like that, clamp down. So we're nice and secure. This is gonna be trash. With that being said, it is gonna be a quick video. We're gonna go ahead and end it here, and I'll see you guys in about 3 to 6 months in this same video to show you guys if the Snorkel upgrade actually works as far as keeping this thing clean. So we'll see you guys soon. Hell yeah. All right, you guys, so now coming back to the present time, I know this video has been a little bit all over the place, but let's show you guys. Now it's May 18. All right. Now I wanted to show you, this is going to be another brand new one that I just bought in the present time. The one that's installed is the one that we showed you guys in that previous clip, which was in the previous time. Let's go ahead and open it up, and I bet you anything, it's going to look exactly almost the same as if it was still new. So let's pull this out, and there it is. So in person you can tell a lot more, but they're almost identical as far as it being still clean. So there you guys go. There's the proof. Here's the back side. They look exactly identical, still clean. Go ahead and purchase yours. Like I said, description box below. You guys saw, it's now 5 months later. We just showed you guys. I know it's gonna be hard to believe it because there's no way for you guys to really track it. I'm just gonna tell you guys, I'm trying to be as honest as I can. Hopefully you guys believe me. But like I said, 5 months later, you're not gonna get that without having this system here. If you only have a regular snorkel, I can guarantee you guys it'll be a lot dirtier. And then I can also guarantee you, if you guys don't have a snorkel at all completely, it's the same thing. It'll be a lot dirtier than that. I wish I had a comparison truck with me, which I should have done that. But if you guys want to see an update video, I'll have like one of my friends do this challenge with me, and we'll do an update video for you guys if you like. But there it is. I would recommend it. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's not expensive, but it's not cheap. Check it out, description box below. If you guys did like today's quick video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
people, please feel free to subscribe.